Weather describes what the air and sky feel like around us each day. It changes regularly. Some days are warm and bright, while others are cool or cloudy. Understanding weather helps us talk about our daily experiences and plan our activities. A sunny day means the sun is shining bright and the sky is clear. The air feels warm and everything looks cheerful. People often enjoy spending time outdoors when it is sunny, like going for a walk or having a picnic. A rainy day happens when clouds release water as drops from the sky. The ground gets wet, and you might hear the sound of rain tapping on windows or roofs. The air becomes cooler and fresh, and people usually use umbrellas or raincoats to stay dry. A cloudy day means the sky is covered with many clouds. The sunlight becomes softer or dim, and the weather often feels comfortable. It might rain later, but not always. Clouds make the world appear calm and quiet. A windy day means the air is moving strongly around us. You can feel the wind against your face and see trees moving. Wind can be gentle or strong. Sometimes it brings cool air, and sometimes it pushes clouds across the sky. A snowy day happens when soft white flakes of snow fall from the sky. Snow covers the ground like a white blanket. The air feels very cold, and people wear warm clothes. Snowy weather can be fun for playing or making snowmen. A foggy day happens when tiny drops of water float in the air, making it difficult to see clearly. Everything looks soft and pale. The temperature feels cool, and people drive or walk carefully because things look unclear ahead. Now you know the 6 common weather conditions: sunny, rainy, cloudy, windy, snowy, and foggy. Each describes how the air and sky change from day to day. Learning these words helps you talk about what the weather feels like around you.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.